Let's click OK if he... He's like, I'll take this one. And Gary received Bulbasaur with the Professor Oak. Then you take that, I think. Before I Pokemon View, you can battle it. With that aside, you should be each next time. He's like, wait, let's check out Pokemon. Come on, I'll take you on. So, your first battle. You better win, because then you suck. I'm sure they Hero challenge for Gary. Well, you got it. So here are Bulbasaur, as I said. Go Blaster! Oh, Pikachu. So pushy, as always. Pikachu. You never had Pokemon battle. Or have you? Pokemon battle is when trainers put their Pokemon against each other. The trainer that makes the other trainer's Pokemon free by lowering their HP to 0 wins. But rather than talking about it, you'll learn to me. Try battle, see for yourself. Fight. Step. Oh, me, this person. You step off. Oh. Inflicting damage to the fall is a key of any battle. I forgot what it Growl! That was my attack, but I knew it was defense. So, right, isn't it? Yeah, defense fall. Because it has a lower defense, advantage. Now it's to tackle those. Let's see, use tackle. Haha, epic fail, you missed. Use tackle. That's it, won't you? Tackle. 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 Yeah. Tackle. Quickly. Bye-bye. Yeah, like, this is our experience. Level 6. Yay! Can you beat Rival Gary? What? Unbelievable! I picked up the wrong Pokemon. No, you picked up the right one because you have like some excellent. If you win, you earn prize money and new Pokemon will grow. Battle other trainers and make your Pokemon strong. Okay, I'll make the Pokemon battle to toughen it up. HPP Gramps, smell you later. You're a bad person. Just call me Smelly. Maybe let's see what happens if we talk to him. HPP, raising your young Pokemon by making it battle. It has battle for it to grow. So just walk out the door. Right here. It's walking out. And she says, look, I copied what it said on this trainer tips sign. Trainer tips. Press start to open the menu. Great. I didn't think you had to say bye your mom. That's awesome. Oh my god, what the hell is it? Oh, it's a freaking Rattata. Let's kick its ass. Ah. Let's kick it. Ah. Oh wow, this is so much. And it lowered my defense. It's a fail. Oh man, that was stuck. Alright. Let's tickle. I'm not gonna really be, as I said, I'm not gonna really be like recording my battles that much. I'm just gonna, I'm walking around on this. I'm trying to look at the same time. I just skipped that battle. I mean, at level 7, I got level 7. I learned them. What I learned? Bubble. Yeah, no Pokemon. Alright. So, I ran away again. In the battle that decided that too. Okay, we are here. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Pokemon Leaf Green.